Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveen. In this video, we will be discussing about intraday stocks to trade tomorrow, that is on 7th October 2021. Before getting into the video, a quick introduction about my channel. So this is the channel Trader Naveen. I'll be posting regular videos on this on daily basis. So make sure you are subscribing this channel to get regular updates on stock market, and I'll be posting educational videos on technical analysis too. So those who are new to the stock market and want to know what technical analysis is, make sure you are subscribing this channel. So this is the channel. So make sure you're subscribing this. So let's get into the video. The first stock I have picked to trade tomorrow is Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever, if you check the price action in daily time frame, so this is the previously this was the resistance level, right? So after the breakdown, so the price has to retest this level. So the same way, so we got the selling pressure from this point, we got the closing below previous swing point, right? So the first confirmation is we got the closing below previous swing point to be on the sell side. So at the same time, if you check, so we got the selling pressure. After the selling pressure, the price is moving in a narrow range. So if you observe, let me zoom in the chart. So as you see, we got the selling pressure from this point and the price is moving in a narrow range, right? So if this breaks, we can expect a, if this range is given breakdown, we can expect a bearish momentum, right? So let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame for the better understanding. Let's check where the entry and exit levels will be. So as you see, the price is taking support at 2680 level, around 2680 level. So whenever the price reaches this level, the price is getting a bullish momentum, right? So buyers are getting involved and pushing the price on the higher side. So whereas if you check, so this level is tested multiple times, right? So this level is tested multiple times. We can expect a breakdown below this in tomorrow's trading session. So if you check the price action in 5 minutes time frame, so as we are getting the bullish momentum from this around this 2680 level, the same way we got an bullish candle in the 5 minutes time frame. So as you see, after the price retested this level, we got a bullish momentum, right? So if this level is broken, if the low of this candle is, if the low of this green candle is broken, so we can expect a bearish momentum in tomorrow's trading session, and we can maintain a stop loss above this candle, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, you are supposed to initiate a, we can trades on the sell side. Our entry will be at 2675. So this is our entry price. 2675 will be our entry price. Our stop loss will be 2686. Our first take profit will be 2660. If that breaks 2660 is given breakdown, we can expect another 10 to 15 points of selling momentum. Okay. The next stock is Tata Steel. So Tata Steel, if you check the price action in daily time frame, we got the selling pressure. The price has consolidated within this narrow range. If this breaks, we can expect a bearish momentum. Basically, it is like a inverted flag and pull, right? So if this support is broken, we can initiate a sell trade. So there is a high probability that it can give breakout in tomorrow's trading session. Let's switch to the 15 minutes time frame and understand where the entry and exit levels will be. So as you see, when the stock reaches this support level, the price is getting bounce, right? So whenever the stock reaches the support level, the price is getting bounce. Currently we are at the same support level. The price has closed near the support level, so there is a high probability that it can give breakdown below this level, right? So as you see, we got a fall, the price retested the support level again, we got a pullback, and bearish price action is developing at this level, right? So in tomorrow's trading session, as soon as the stock breaks 1273, 1273 will be your entry price. So make sure you're selling at 1273. Our stop loss will be at 1286. So the high of this green candle. Our first take profit will be at 1260, and our next take profit will be at 1244. Okay. So in every trade, once you are in the profitable trade, so which means if you enter at 1273 and you are achieved 1260 level, make sure once you are achieved with 1260 level, make sure you are trailing your stop loss from 1286 to your entry price, so that you don't miss any profits or you end up with the small loss or small profit. So in simple, we don't miss the capital, so that we can make a we can make up a profitable trade in upcoming trades, right? So make sure you're trailing your stop loss once you are in profit. Okay, the next stock is ACC Limited. ACC Limited, if you check the price action, the price has taken this support level. Previously it was taking the support level, so it has given the breakdown. The price has retested the resistance level. Previously this was the support level. After the breakdown, this acted as a resistance, right? So if you check the price action, a fall, pullback, breakdown of the support level, support turned to resistance, a pullback, and it is continuing its downward direction. The important thing is we got a closing below previous swing point, right? So if you check the price action, so we got a closing below this previous swing point. So you can trade this on the sell side. Let me switch to the 15 minutes time frame for the entry and exit levels. So as you check the price action 15 minutes time frame, so this is the today's first candle, a fall, pullback, again a fall, pullback, fall, pullback, right? So if this low is broken, we can expect a bearish momentum, right? So this low is broken, we can expect a bearish momentum, and we can maintain a stop loss of previous swing point. So our entry level will be at sell at 2194. Okay, 2194 will be our selling price. So you are supposed to maintain a stop loss of 2210. Our take profit will be at 2168. Okay, the next stock is ICICI Bank. If you check the price action in daily time frame, so this was the support level, right? The price was testing this support level multiple times, so it has given breakdown below this. Let me explain what I mean in detail. So whenever the stock reaches this support level, the price was getting buzz, means more buyers are entering into the stock and they are pushing the price on the higher side. But today what happened is in previous couple of days, we got a breakdown below this support level, support turned to the resistance, the price has retested the resistance level, and it is making a lower high series, means we are getting a selling pressure from this resistance level. Previously it was acting as a support, so once after the breakdown, the same is acting as a resistance now. Okay, so there is a good opportunity to trade this on the sell side. Let's see where the exit and entry and exit levels in lower time frame. So as you see, this is the support which turned to the resistance. Currently we got a breakdown, the price has retested this level and it is continuing its downward direction, right? So we can expect a bearish momentum in tomorrow's trading session. So our entry will be at this level, which comes around 688 level. So initiate a sell trade at 688. Our stop loss will be 692, high of this wick dominating candle. So this is the stop loss. 688 is our entry price, and our take profit will be at 680 level, 680 to 678 level. Okay, so those are the 4 stocks which I have picked to trade in tomorrow's trading session. So those who have not yet subscribed my channel, make sure you are subscribing this channel. I'll be posting regular videos on this. So this, once again a reminder for you people, so the channel name is Trader Naveen. I'll be posting regular videos on this, so make sure you are subscribing this channel to get the daily updates regarding the stock market. Okay, thank you.